testing out some new Morphe brushes in this video, and you guys are also going to see how I basically do my everyday makeup, because this is basically like an everyday makeup. But yeah, wash my face and everything. I'm gonna use my Curology moisturizer, and now I'm gonna use this Hard Candy Strawberry Face Serum. Alright, for primer I'm using the No Pore Blum primer. I actually really like this. I'm gonna do my hair real quick because it's looking crazy. So just brush my hair. I don't know if you guys can tell already, but my hair is super like bad right now. I haven't dyed it. I haven't dyed it in like a month. I think like since before quarantine, and it's thinning the freak out, and like it's so bad. This is the longest my hair has ever gotten, and I'm like just really upset that yeah, I'm just gonna put it up or something, or just like do something so it can look nice in pictures. Don't know what I'm doing, but like I said, we're not going anywhere, so it does not matter. I'm gonna take this Suavecita Argan Silkening Serum. It's just like an argan oil basically, and I just put some of that argan oil in it, and you can already tell the difference. Like you can see the difference in it. It looks a little bit less messed up. Alright, I don't know what's going on with my hair, but like I said, we're not going anywhere. It'll look better when I have makeup on anyway, because everything looks better when you have makeup on. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Tattoo Brow Pomade. I actually got some new brushes too, so I'm gonna actually try these. This is the Morphe and the Jeffree Star like eyebrow brush, the dual one or whatever. It's like really soft. I feel like it's way too soft. Obviously I'm still gonna use it. It was like $5, but I definitely like the Anastasia one better. I mean, like, you can work with it, and I mean, for $5 you definitely can't beat it, because the Anastasia one is like 18 or 12 or something like that. I don't really remember. And it's pink, so I mean, it has its pros. Like, it's kind of upsetting because I needed a new brush. This eyebrow looks freaking crazy. I feel like it's basically absorbing all the product because of how like soft it is, and it's kind of annoying me. Taking another Morphe brush. It's just a flat brush. I'm not even sure. This is an M410 for whoever wants to know. Just using the P. Louise base. My eyebrows used to come out so bomb when I first started using the Anastasia Dip Brow. I think they're okay for now. I'm gonna put the P. Louise base on my eyelids, and I'm just gonna take some airspun powder, and I'm gonna just like basically put some on my lid so we can set that. In addition to that Jeffree brow brush, I also got this under eye powder brush, the Anything Creamy brush. This one, I wanted to get this to like kind of buff out the concealer under my eyes, even though I forgot, but we'll try it for the under eyes. And I got this foundation brush, and then I also got this contour brush. Okay, so we put primer on. I'm gonna take this airspun powder again, and I'm gonna basically pat it all over my skin. I'm gonna take this foundation brush and this Ardell Photo Face matte foundation. I don't know if I should pour it onto the brush or pour it onto my face.
I'm scared. I don't know.
I don't want to dirty it. I don't know if I'm doing this right, but it seems to be like, it seems to be like working pretty well. I don't know why, but my freaking camera keeps stopping and it's really pissing me off. I'm going to use that contour brush, and I'm going to use it with this Too Faced Peach bronzer. Okay. No, but you can already see the difference. I love the way this peach bronzer smells. I'm gonna use it on my nose too. Okay, the fact that I got these brushes for like under $20 is amazing, because I didn't have not one of any of these brushes and they were on sale. I'm gonna take the under eye powder brush, or the under eye setting brush, whatever this is called, and the airspun powder again. Ooh. Just by using brushes, I can tell that the application of my makeup is like way better than just using a beauty blender. Like, it already looks better, like in the mirror and everything, like it looks better. Even though I'm like breaking out and everything, but to me it looks pretty good. I'm actually gonna use this brush to do this too. So we used all of the brushes. So far so good. I like all of the brushes. This brow brush, I'm gonna have to like keep playing around with it and keep trying to find ways to make it work, because I like it just because it's pink, to be honest. I'm gonna use this Maybelline Lash Sensational Boosting Serum. It's just like a serum to make your eyelashes grow. I'm gonna use this Too Faced blush. This is the Love Flush. I know I'm like all over the place. I'm gonna finish up my brows. I'm gonna take the same Jeffree Star brush and put it in my Maybelline brow gel and just kind of fill in like the lighter spots of where my brows, the lighter spots in my brows. I don't know why that didn't make sense. Alright, I think the face is done except for highlight, but we'll get to that. I'm doing the lashes. I'm using this Ardell top and bottom lash mascara. It is bomb. It has one for the top lashes and one for the bottom lashes, and I love it. I don't even know what lashes these are, but I'm gonna use them because, like I said, we're not going anywhere. I'm gonna take my ColourPop Creme de la Creme palette, and I'm gonna take just this white one. Boop. I'm gonna use this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in mauve. I'm using this Collab lip liner and this So Juicy lip gloss from ColourPop. This is a really, really good one. It's a lip plumper, and it makes your lips look so good. Watch. Alright, so this is my basically everyday kind of makeup. This is my quarantine selfie preparation makeup look, whatever. Make sure you guys like this video for me, please, and comment any video suggestions or anything you would like to comment. Make sure to subscribe too. I will be posting every Monday and Friday, so make sure you also put the notifications on so you know when I upload. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.